The basics of home surveillance cameras. How long do home surveillance cameras record? When it comes to home security, having surveillance cameras installed can provide added protection and peace of mind. But one of the biggest questions many homeowners have is how long do home surveillance cameras record for? Do home security cameras delete footage? The answer to this comes down to the type of camera you're using. There are several options on the market when it comes to security cameras, and they all have different recording times. For example, some models can record up to 30 days, some can record up to 7 days, and some can record up to 24 hours, and some can even record for only up to 1 hour. It all depends on the make and model of your security camera. Is it illegal to tamper with security cameras in Texas? In addition to understanding recording times, it's also important to know that tampering with or disabling a security camera in Texas is not only illegal, but can also carry serious consequences. This includes both home surveillance cameras and business security cameras. For more information, visit Dyezd.com or call 512-331-2788.